Hey guys, it's Matt from Artist Growth. So glad that you're here. I'm going to take you through this system really quick so you can understand in just a couple of minutes everything that AG can do for you. All right, guys, what you're seeing here is the artist profile in the system. Every artist you add to your account will get one, and you're managing key information about them, as well as who is on the team and all of the team's contact information, which social and streaming platforms they're working on, and then links to key assets for that artist on any platform, as well as a space for links to any other important sites like analytics dashboards or press clips. One place for your team to go to access everything important for all of your artists. So let's quickly look at the navigation. When you click this selector, you'll see your entire roster, which will allow you to switch profiles. You'll also see workspaces here, and workspaces give you the ability to subgroup your roster, and when selected, will filter the data app-wide to only the data for the artists contained in that workspace. Okay, let's look at events. So you can see here's a calendar for an artist in the month view. You have a 6-month view, a year view. You can easily track what markets the shows are in. You have the ability to custom color code every event type in the system, so you're not just managing performances, but promo events, marketing activities, production, timelines, studio, co-writes. All of it lives on one calendar for your entire roster, and every event type is filterable as well as permissionable, so only the people who need to see the information get to see it. In AG, you can have an unlimited number of projects going at any one time. You can create templates with pre-assigned tasks and pre-written project plans, so it's very easy to just spin up a new template, activate a project. All active projects will show on your projects page with the artists involved in those projects, who the owner is, who the directly responsible individual is, as well as high-level information about the status of that project. When you click into a project, you're able to determine who the collaborators are, links to all the assets related to that project, all other core links related to the project. You can build out entire project plans and timelines. And then you have, of course, a Kanban board style task management system where you're moving tasks through the phases of the project. Inside tasks, you're able to have comment threads with your team and track progress. You're able to sync tasks with events on the artist calendar, as well as add assets to a task where you can add multiple versions of that asset, and native file versioning is built in. The My Work page is your personal dashboard for the things that you need to get done. You will see all of the tasks that are due this week that need review, as well as ones you've assigned or have been assigned to you. All the events happening this week across your roster. You'll also see all the active projects that you're a member of, as well as the ability to track all of your tasks in one place so that you never ever have to go chasing things down. And guys, I would be remiss if I didn't take a couple seconds to show you the timeline where you can see across your entire roster a view of an entire year, quarter, month, or week, or day, where all of the projects related to that artist are plotted with all the events on their calendar. So you can hover over any of these events and get some high-level information. You can double-click and be straight into the details of that event, or you can double-click into a project from the timeline and you're straight into the details of that project. Super incredible way to track things at a high level. And finally, guys, we get to AG Intelligence. Right now it's in beta, but it's an extremely powerful part of the system. Once you've integrated your artist profile via our Chartmetric integration, you're going to be able to search all of your artist tracks by ISRC or track name. And when you select a track, it is going to pull in the streaming results from various DSPs through Chartmetric, and it is also going to automatically plot on the timeline all of the events that have been going on with your artist calendar during the year. And so you can see here there are large dots and small dots. Large dots are days where there are multiple events. Small dots are days with a single event. And when you click a dot, it's going to pull up the trends across the DSPs 1 day after that event, 7 days after that event, and 30 days after that event, as well as pull up what those events were, where you can see how much you spent and invested in those events. So AG Intelligence is the most powerful way to correlate all of the work you're doing with all of the impact that it's having. So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got a sense of what Artist Growth can do for you. We have a whole library of online tutorial videos, so go check those out and have a great day.